everyone. Namaskaram. First and foremost, I thank all of the stakeholders who had been the pillar and support system and the initiation, starting from the idea about this faculty development program. Today, are we here gathered? I appreciate the effort. I thank Lord for accepting and initiating this and making us successful getting together. I would also take this opportunity to convey best Eid wishes to the members of our brothers and sisters, part of this FDP today. I would also like to thank the industry, ITS Sector Skill Council for having us today. Let me also start as per the protocol. The protocol begins with institution. Institution where people come and grow professionals. So, sincerely thank, convey my best wishes on behalf of all of us being part of today's FDP, all the members, to Kamala Institute of Technology and Sciences, KITS, Singapore, from Karimnagar district, Telangana state, setting up this institution, though it is under rural area, but his vision, legendary, the chairman of the institution, Captain Sri V. Lakshmikant Rao sir, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, followed by the Secretary Correspondent, Sri V. Satish Kumar Garu, sir, also the Member of Legislative Assembly, representing constituency of Husnabad from state of Telangana, Karimnagar district. Their vision, they set up the institution, and today we are all under this institution path, trying to help ourselves, grow ourselves, and set up, also help the society. In other words, my next wishes, probably this is not possible without these two great gentlemen, the dynamic principal of the institution, respected Dr. Sri Kandula Shankar sir, and my brother Sri Dr. Ravindra Babu Kallam sir. It is of all whose idea today all these 1,000+ members we are here gathered, and this platform has been open today. Starts at his desk. It is his thought, it is his idea, it is his request, in fact, that we have to come up with this particular faculty development program during this pandemic situation where the regular lively lifestyle of the people had been struck, and we are not able to do what we wanted to do, but this is how the things go. Let's hope for the best. I also take this opportunity that we all should stay safe and stay healthy. I pray for all of you, all of us. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much, RB sir, for bringing us together and giving us this opportunity to host and sponsor this particular faculty development program in association with the most respected and prestigious Computer Society of India. I also thank and wish Sri Dr. K. Sita Rama Babu sir for also being the pillar and standing certificate authority and sponsoring, organizing this particular FDP program. I'm sorry I would take a little longer. Don't mind. Give us 2 minutes more because it's not yet done. I have to thank another my colleagues, but I'll come to the later. But sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank, and with folding hands and saying namaste and namaskaram, all thanks and krutajnata to you all for the speakers who are accepted be part of this program, and without any barriers within their hearts and mind, sharing their knowledge, and they wanted to spread and give their knowledge to the society and their fellow society, to the faculty members, which is wonderful, so wonderful. I sincerely thank all the speakers who were accepted, Starting from today's speakers, Madam Dr. Kalpana Rai is available here. Srimati Dr. Kalpana Rai, Professor Ranjit Nair, and Dr. K.K. Tiwari Saab, and Professor Rajiv Singh Saab, Dr. Paresh Rawat ji. Last but not least, my colleague, my dearest friend, Sri Vikalp Sharma ji, who himself is one among the speakers out of 6 panel. Mr. Vic Sharma is the backbone of this faculty development program, who had been given the production, direction, everything and to this program, and who had actually taken up the complete responsibility upon his shoulders, making sure that we start well and we end well and we close this successfully. Let us the knowledge spread across. So that is where I sincerely thank once again Mr. Vikalp Sharma. I'm very happy for you, Vikalp. I'm proud of you, Vikalp. That's a good job what you have done. You have made all good people together. You have brought them on one platform so that this platform could actually give a direction, light to the people to their society, because the teachers who are actually, the society builders. That is where I sincerely thank Mr. Vikalp. I had it messed up in the lineup that, I think I should also thank another, the SPOC, single point of contact, who has been backbone for this particular FDP program, working upon the behind the screen. Right now his screen is off, but Mr. Raghu, the coordinator, along with Mr. Prashant, both of them had been done from the college, and excellent job. Thank you so very much, Mr. Raghu and Prashant Garu. All the dignitary speakers, especially I have to say this, I do not know whether this is the right platform or not, but I wanted to tell this because this is something we need to get into the society and make this message. As you're all aware, that this particular faculty development program has been run and organized and will be going to be successful, I'm sure. But you should also know the first things are first. There's no one never charged a single rupee as in terms of the registration or either any terms. In any terms, there's no charge at all. There is no charge at all, only because the credit goes to, the whole credit goes to the speakers and the panel team. The great speakers, with their valuable time, they had come forward, spend and share their knowledge, work on a forum, discuss the things upon one particular subject, which could be our topic today, the machine learning, yes, ML about its algorithms, application and advantages today, tomorrow. It's definitely a beautiful topic, this most emerging and, trending topic today. I believe in the Bachelors of Engineering program also, many of the universities across pan-India has been coming up with a specialized branch, recognition to the ML, machine learning, artificial intelligence, so-called, not only from the tier 1 prestigious first-class universities, but even to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities and level 2 universities also has been producing and, giving this program, ML, because this is the future. So that is what we are going to discuss today. So I have to thank speakers, my heartfelt thanks and namaskaram to everyone that they have accepted to participate in this and share their knowledge about 2 hours per day. Each one of the speaker had come up with this idea voluntarily, completely voluntarily. Nothing has been expected, not even a single paisa. It is not about money. It is about knowledge transfer. That's where I wanted to thank them, because they had come forward that they wish and they would like to share their knowledge. And this particular program has been reaching to you without even a registration fees of even 100 or 200 rupees, which generally in many of the organizations are doing so outside, subject to correction again. But we wanted to give it to you absolutely free of cost, so that you gain this knowledge and share this knowledge again in turn to your students tomorrow when the opportunity comes to you. This is the whole idea, the number one. Number two, also I would take about a minute to explain about our organization, TriLogic, TRYLOGIC, TriLogic Soft Solutions AP Private Limited. I represent this organization in the capacity of a director. We started our journey in the year 2004. It's been 15 fantastic years as on date. We had made a lot of beautiful relations, good relations. It's kind of in a family, this thing, sounding something. We had done some good work, I believe. we had been completely a student-centric development or student development overall student development program based institution. What we do is all about for the students for the knowledge, students for the employment, students for the enrichment, etc., etc. So TriLogic is doing all this stuff, including skill development and placement linked training programs all across 7 states in India today. We also would like to request you all tomorrow, as this particular faculty development program is coming to you into your doorstep absolutely free of cost, without even any single rupee charge. Likewise, we would also like to give our services to your students, whomever you refer from your institutions, whoever has been looking forward for a knowledge enrichment or in terms of placement. I request you all, please cooperate with us and work with us in future whenever you get an opportunity or whenever we come to you to seek your support and advice. This is what is my humble request to all the participants across globe or across the nation. I am not sure. Probably we might be having a couple of registrations from outside of India also. This was a tremendous response. Everybody is here. I congratulate all the participants for joining this program. I wish good luck for everyone and hope this particular FDP would enrich and share our knowledge, make ourselves better and strengthen so that we could use this particular, because see, learning is in a continuous process. Since we are into the computer sector, which is one of the significant and emerging sector, we have to learn every day. There's no scope and there's no stop for this. There's no full stop at all. But there are some new technologies coming up, which we will take it up on the ML. I would also take this final note on saying thanks to Dr. Ravindra Babu sir again, Mr. Vikalp Sharma from TriLogic, Soft Solutions AP Private Limited. I congratulate all the participants, wish you all good luck, have a good learning experience, beautiful learning here. Dr. Kalpana Rai ji, namaskar on your first day. Please go ahead. I'm sorry I took a little longer. I believe I had eaten off maybe 5 minutes of yours. Please excuse me for that. I only request all the participants, because you're all from the faculty fraternity representing the engineering institutions across India. Whenever you got an opportunity referring a student or any of your students to for their betterment in terms of the placement, in terms of the knowledge enrichment, please work with TriLogic, because we don't charge anything. We would like to do this under the government aid and sponsorships for the poor and the rural people always. I congratulate all the people once again. Thank you so very much. Have a very good afternoon. Have a good learning experience. Thanks for the opportunity. Namaskaram, everybody. Thank you.